Welcome to another live event. Finally, I fixed the black screen. Hopefully, you don't ensure that again. Finally, so a tropical weather bulletin, my first, and the active storm right now. BERYL was a really weird one. It was a tropical depression, then a subtropical storm, and then we got Invest 90. So we got one cyclone active, 3 Invest active. And Nate's about to join us. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, Nate has joined us. Really. So, subtropical storm BERYL, Invest 92W, Invest 93W, and then Invest 94W. That's a lot of Invest. If you don't like me. And we got all the storms or locations. As I move across the world, there we go. He's coming closer to the computer. Hey. So you can see on the BERYL, not a newly formed storm. It is not old. Oopsies. Oh. Need to go to BERYL. There we go. That's a BERYL. Nate, say something. Say something about hurricanes.
Okay.
So this is actually my best friend. So, we're taking a look at subtropical storm BERYL in IR loop on tropical tidbits. Right now, I fixed it so you could see what's on the screen. It's actually IR, the Dvorak version of this right now. You can see the Dvorak right now.
And the weather is going to be
very bad with BERYL.
Yup.
Chris already did dissipate. Yeah, Chris did. I bet BERYL's gonna be the longest lasting storm of the season, right? Am I right?
Do you
think so? Nate? It's hurricane.
Hold on, guys.
No, stop! You're not gonna say my real name. You're gonna say my real name, I know it. It's Hurricane Stan, I think. So, this is a BERYL. It's a subtropical storm! Of course, maybe BERYL's gonna become the longest lasting storm of the season. The water vapor looking clearly good about this. You can see clip BERYL. Now we're gonna look at 92W, the Lowland. So it's located near about, I don't know where it's, so the forecast point and tropical points, you can see tropical points are not available for 92W. Get the SAB points. SAB for oopsies. So it should become a tropical storm, in my opinion. Do you think so too, Nate? Are you gonna say yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So the temp has 82 or the storm conditions. We observe that this area right here is gonna have 8%. Oh, we're gonna move it. 8%. 82 and 79. Really? You
Our guy just farted.
Nah, Nate, you farted. You're the one who farted. Stop it. No, we're gonna stop. We're gonna stop saying that. No, stop. Sorry, in next day, we expect 7 here, and both 77 in the next areas that may hit the MSLP. Right now, hashtag the winds here, is quite low.
And
It's kind of high because maybe we'll extend it to have 2000, 1010, 1010, 1009,
100,
etc. No, it's
100
1000.
and
No, it's 1000. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. It was my mom. The wind, right now, you can see the areas that may affect the wind stuff. However, with the HDWD, Hurricane Kyle! Stop it, I'm making a video. Oh. Here, Hurricane Kyle is now here. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello, he said. So,
What are we looking at?
right now we're looking at Invest 92, HDWD, HDWM now. So right now this is 92W, Invest. Right here is, you can see it in the left corner, HDWH. You can see, in the other corner, you can see in the same corner, why did I say other? It's looking like it's turning into a subtropical storm, actually. I'm gonna look at Wikipedia. I'm gonna look at,
and
the
next time, do you guys want to see us play Minecraft?
Come on! Yo, I only played Roblox once, but leave a like down below if you really want us to play Minecraft. So the next storm that we will encounter is tropical storm or typhoon, maybe subtropical storm, something. And then maybe if it does become a Philippine basin storm, it'll be named.
And if you want to buy Fortnite, ask your parents and then buy it.
Okay, you could stop it, okay? Nate loves those games, okay? If it does become a Philippine storm, it'll be Henry.
Okay, well, Hurricane Kyle is going to take a little break. I'll be back in a second.
Cheeto, Diego, Elena. Come on, what did you...
And we're going to play Fortnite.
No, we're not.
From Minecraft.
Stop it. And then we will see Felino, Gunding, Harriet, and Dong, and then just maybe last Philippine name, but the last typhoon name we'll be using this season for the typhoon is Usagi. Really, it's Usagi.
And guys,
Stop.
And guys, I'm
Look at the Atlantic. Look at the Atlantic.
And guys, I'm gonna go take a break.
Well, they're gone. I'm gonna take a little break too by looking at some hurricanes. Really, look at BERYL. We have to end the video in a short bit. 15 minutes. We're supposed to end it. Sorry. So Hurricane Chris, which actually deadly right now. Look at the Eastern Pacific. Got no storms active right there. Got no storms. Doing over this, we're oh, 94W, of course. Looks like it's near Mexico, but it isn't. 93W, Flatland. Looks like, wait, what? No tropical points again, because it's not a tropical. Hello? Who's that? Nate has returned. We need to end the video in like 4 minutes. So get Hurricane Kyle for me, please. Do.
Oh my gosh. Don't lock the door. Okay.
So you did that. Hurricane Kyle, your time to shine as well as you, Nate. Come on. Come on. Come to this room. We're about to end the video, maybe. Ooh, very short amount of time. Like 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes for the video. Come on.
He said in a bit.
But 3 more minutes for the videos. 3.
Me too. Okay?
Yeah, they're ending it. So, look at 92W again. And hopefully we see you tomorrow. We're gonna look at you tomorrow. Hopefully you enjoy. Sorry about that. Really? Really? Dang it. It was a great music. Bye. Peace.